In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your IP address in Windows 10. Knowing your IP address can be really useful. You might need it for troubleshooting your internet connection, setting up a printer or a server, or sharing your PC on a local network. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a simple, reliable way to find your IP address using built-in Windows tools. You don't need any extra software, and you don't need to be a tech expert to follow along. Let's start right on your Windows 10 desktop. First, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen for the Start button. This is usually a Windows logo. Click on that, and then begin typing the word Settings. You should see the Settings app appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to open. Once the Settings window is open, you'll see a number of different categories. For anything related to your internet connection, we want the Network and Internet section. Click on Network and Internet to open up your network settings. On the left-hand side of this window, you'll see several options like Status, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and possibly others depending on your system. If you're connected using Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi. If you're connected with a cable, click on Ethernet instead. For this example, let's assume you're using Wi-Fi. After clicking Wi-Fi, look to the right, and you should see the name of the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. Click on that network name to open more detailed information about your connection. This brings up a page with lots of network details. Scroll down a bit until you see a section labeled Properties. This area contains important information about your connection, including your IP address. Under Properties, look for the line that says IPv4 address. The number shown there, which usually looks something like 4 groups of numbers separated by periods, is your local IP address on your network. Take a moment to note it down if you need it for later. This is the address your router uses to identify your computer inside your home or office network. If you see an IPv6 address listed as well, that's a different, newer type of address. But in many cases, the IPv4 address is what you'll be asked for. If you don't see any information here, double-check that you're actually connected to a network and that airplane mode is turned off. Once your connection is active, the IPv4 address should appear. And that's it. You've successfully found your IP address in Windows 10 using the Settings app.